Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into a really interesting topic, bookkeeping and accounting for art dealer. As an art dealer, you are not just selling painting or sculptures, you are dealing with creativity, value and passion. But managing the financial side of things is just as important to keep your business on the top. So let's break it down in the simplest way possible and make bookkeeping easy for your art business. As an art dealer, you play vital role in connecting with artist or collector for buying or selling and trading artwork. They use their expertise to identify the valuable piece, negotiate deals and promote artists. For art dealer, bookkeeping is more than just a record keeping. It is the backbone of smooth financial operations. So accurate bookkeeping help them to stay tax compliant, create effective budget and plan for a long-term financial success. It ensures that they have a clear picture of their earning, expenses and overall profitability, which is important for managing art business. Here we have some important points of accounting and bookkeeping for art dealers. First, keep track of art exhibition and display costs to ensure proper budgeting. Next, fees of authenticating and appraising art are recorded and managed. Then, managing shipping and insurance cost for artwork, like monitor and manage shipping and insure cost for the artwork. Handle international transaction and currency exchange accurately. Track documentation cost for each artwork. Manage relationship and payment with art advisors and consultants. Stay informed about the market trends and price fluctuations in the art world. Now, record and allocate cost for the gallery opening and event effectively. So now let's talk about the key performance indicator, or you can say KPIs. KPI are more than just a number. They help tell the story to your business and guide your next step. So here we look at how many gallery visitor actually buy art. So this tells us how well our sale strategy are working and how our art is being accurate. So the higher the conversion rate, the better. Now this KPI help us to see how much on average people are spending on art. It give insight into our price strategy, whether we are upselling effectively and if we are attracting the right crowd. Now next, gallery sales revenue by artist. By examining sales per artist, we can identify which artists are the top performer. This helps us to evaluate how well we are representing them and decide who we should feature for more in future exhibition. Inventory turnover rate. This tells us how quickly the artwork is sold and replaced in the gallery. A high turnover rate shows that inventory management is on point and the gallery ratio practice are effective. Next, we have a client acquisition cost. This metric shows how much is spent on marketing and advertising to gain a new client. It helps us to evaluate our customer acquisition strategy are working effectively. Finally, the client retention rate. This metric shows that how many customers return for the future purchase or visits. A higher retention rate indicates that the customers are satisfied, loyal and love coming back. Artwork acquisition cost. So let's begin by looking at how we can calculate the cost of acquiring new artwork. This is the key for setting the right price and ensure the healthy profit margin. By understanding the acquisition cost, gallery can develop price strategy that align with their budget and sales goal. Next, gross margin and artwork sales. So next we have to move to the gross margin. So this show how much profit you make on each artwork after converting the acquisition cost. It is great way to measure whether your pricing is working and if there is room for negotiation on the sales. Now let's talk about art fair and exhibition. So ROI help us to understand if the investment in event like booth cost, transportation, setup in paying off. By calculating this, gallery can make informed decisions or whether to continue investing in this event. So last but not the least, here we have social media engagement and website traffic. So finally we have social media and website traffic. So monitoring this tell you that how effective your online presence is in the attracting potential buyer. So more engagement you get, the better your chance of turning that traffic into the actual sales will be increasing. So now let's talk about how we handle bookkeeping and especially for the art dealer. So we will talk about how to keep a proper inventory of artwork, which is crucial for both financial reporting and insurance. Make sure to create a system to track each piece detail like the artist, medium and valuation. So it's clear and accurate. This will help to ensure that you are compliant with the industry standard. Next, cost tracking and profitability analysis. So tracking all the art related expenses is a key to understand your profitability. From acquisition cost to farming and restoration, everything counted. Like by keeping a record of this, you can measure how much each artwork on an overall gallery perform. Next, art fair and exhibition budgeting and cost control. So when you are preparing for the art fair, and exhibition, set a clean budget and include costs like booth fees, travel and insurance. Throughout the event, keep an eye on spending to make sure it aligns with the budget and ensure that you stay on track and maximize your return. So today we will focus on how art market trend can shape the decision making process for selecting artists. By analyzing current trend, gallery can better understand which artists are gaining tractions and what work might be in demand. So this helps gallery to make informed decisions when it's come to acquiring new artists and artwork, and hence they stay relevant and appealing to buyer. Next, artist marketing and promotional expense tracking. Marketing and promotion artists require strategy investment. Tracking this expense is a key to understand the gallery return on investment. So we will explore how to keep accurate record of marketing cost, whether it's advertising, gallery event or a digital promotion, to ensure you are maximizing your budget effectively for the artist success. Next, artist studio visit and artwork transportation cost management. Studio visit and transporting artwork can be significant cost. So in this section you will be look at how to track and manage these expenses effectively. By organizing studio visit and transportation cost, gallery can ensure that their artist work are shown to the right audience while keeping overheads under the control. Client relationship and management, individualized marketing. So to build a strong and long-term relationship with your client, it's important to create a system that track their presence, preference and purchasing history. This allows you to marketing campaign and communicate to each client, ensuring that they feel valued and encouraging repeat business. Consignment agreement and management. So when working with artist or a collector, clean consignment agreement are a key. Set up producers that outline fees structure, artwork return and other important terms, so both the parties are on the same page or everything runs smoothly. Then last we have art insurance and risk mitigation strategy. So protect your gallery by securing comprehensive art insurance for the both your inventory and physical locations. So this helps to minimize the financial risk of damage, loss or theft. So ensuring your business is covered in case of unexpected event. So now I am going to share some inspiring case study about the local art dealer who faced some financial challenges while expanding their business. So let's dive into their journey and see what lesson we can learn from their experience. So here we have our first case study from commission chaos to artistic collaboration. So first let's talk about the challenges. For this art dealer, managing artist payouts manually was causing major headache. So they were inaccuracy, delaying, and it was frustrated for the artist. It is a common issues in industry where the communication are involved, right? But just like with any problem, there is a solution. So the solution, Meru Accounting come to the rescue by creating an automated payout system based on sales commission. This system ensured payments were accurate and delivered on time, taking away the stress and making the process streamlined for both the dealer and the artist. Now the outcome and the result, it was a game changer. With the streamlined payouts, the artists were able to focus on what they do best, creating art. This strengthened their trust and with the art dealer helped build closer, more productivity relationship. So in this case show how small change can have a big impact. Automating your process can lead more time for creating a better relationship all around. So here we have our second case study, the mystery of missing margin. So the challenge for the art dealer is to understand the profitability for each artwork was major challenge. Without insight into the cost like framing or restoring, settling intelligence price strategy was nearly impossible. Can anyone else related to this? When you don't know your true cost, pricing can feel like guessing game, right? But the solution, Meru Accounting introduced art-specific cost tracking. This means the dealer could access the extra cost for each piece from the prospectment price of any restoration fees. This gave them the clear picture of their needed. So the result was dynamic improvement in profitability. With the clean breakdown cost, the dealer was able to set up idea, prices, negotiation, better deal for the accurate artwork and maintain health profit margin on each transaction. So this case really highlight how knowing your number can change everything. This case teach us the powerful lesson to understanding your cost is the key to unlock profitability. When you have a clean view of your number, pricing and decision making became a whole lot easier. If you are facing similar challenge, remember gaining that insight could be the key to transforming your business. So here we have our last case study on from the art fair flop exhibition success. So let's dive into this art dealer challenge. While they have constantly bringing the great sales at the art show, their costs were out of the control, and they were constantly going overburdened for both fees, travel expense, insurance, and more. So, making a good sales, the financial loss were streaking up. So, you were ever participant in an event like this, so you know that it can be easy to understand the cost, but this unplanned expense can quickly eat away at your profit. So that where Meru accounting come in, and we created a data drive budgeting system that helped this art dealer take control of their art fair participants. Instead of just guessing the cost, we helped them to calculating everything from booth expense to travel insurance and revenue. By analyzing this cost upfront, the dealer could set up a realistic budget and sales target for each show. And the result, simply amazing. With well throughout budget in place, the dealer was able to participate in art fair without the fear of financial loss. And they not only convert their cost, but they also made a profit by analyzing and controlling the expenditure, where they were able to make smarter decisions, and what was the once financial burden became the revenue generating opportunity. So the key takeaway here is the power of data drive budgeting. So understand your cost. Setting realistic goals can turn event that once felt like a gambler into the guaranteed opportunity for success. So this case study really show how Meru accounting can transform the way our dealer work. By driving into the artwork specific cost and creating amazing price strategy, they will help dealer minimize their profit. It does not stop here. Meru accounting also turn art fair participants from the financial loss into the profitable opportunity management. So thank you so much everyone for watching this video. We hope these insights help you to unlock new opportunity for success in your business. Stay creative and keep smart financial strategies.